You might not believe this, but just a few days ago, this house was a battlefield. Everything changed 3 days ago when PaaaWOW was opened. There was Frank, my nemesis, constantly competing with me for Annie. Come, Cola, declare your sovereignty. Frank may purr, but remember, I'm the one who battled the plastic bag invasion. Adolescence. Annie starts working around this time every day, similar to my job of playing with this little ball. It's tough. You gotta keep your balance, maintain the rhythm, Hey Frank, this is my job!
Frank, Color, if you two don't stop, I'm sending one of you away.
Maybe there's another option.
The new Meow Wolf, the customer service rep said it can help us understand each other. I hope it works.
Life has not changed too much. Although it is difficult to learn to be a man, it's still relatively easy for me. Unlike that big, stupid dog.
Stop! Stop! You're humans now, not a cat or dog. It's okay, you're my pet after all. Let's clean the house together.
I just wanted you to take a break and play with me. The ball rolling was the only way to get your attention.
I rubbed against you because I like you, boss.
There's a moment you truly understand something. A feeling that leaves a warmth inside you that never fades. So you can see, PaaaWOW wasn't really magic. It was just a key. And behind that door, a world where we could be closer.
PaaaWOW, to be closer.